how to report an error into GIS. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can report an error into GIS. So how do you report an error? The first step is to launch the application, then find the place on the map where you notice the error. So I'm just going to select this particular location. So once you found the place in the map where you notice an error, click on double tap on it, and by double tapping on it, a box will be displayed showcasing the name of the street, reviews and photos of the location. Then click on report a bug. Now by clicking on report a bug, you can see different reasons. So select the reason behind your report. Alright, if you cannot find the reason here, click on other and then write a comment based on the report that you would like to make. Attach photos if there are photos available. Then click on send to send your report, and then your feedback would help to GIS maps to be accurate up to a point. It will be reviewed and the updates needed to be made would be made to the app. So this is how you can go about it. This is how you can report an error on to GIS. Thank you everybody, and ensure you recommend this video to your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe. Have a good day.